Hello everyone, I am Tivankavitanagi. Today I am going to talk about how the moving coil dynamic headphones work with electromagnetism. Moving coil headphone is by far the most common headphone type in existence. So first of all, let's go through the components inside the headphone. This is the component where all the process happens. We call this driver assembly. Inside of it, the part that generates sound is diaphragm. It is normally made out of plastic. Actually, diaphragm makes sounds when it vibrates. Inside of the diaphragm, there are two main parts. Here's the first one. It is permanent magnet. And the other one is the voice coil. It is usually made out of copper. Let's go through with the electromagnetic mechanism of the headphone. So, when the current is passed through the coil, the metal is magnetized and creates an electromagnetic field. This electromagnetic field interacts with the permanent magnet and generating a force which pushes the diaphragm outwards. But if the current is made to flow in the opposite direction, permanent and electromagnet gonna attract inwards to the headphone. So this scenario creates the vibrations like this. Because of these vibrations, which cause pressure variation in the air and it creates sound waves. As we all know, disruptions and displacements in air create sound waves. Now let's go through with the advantages and disadvantages of using electromagnetism for the headphones. Here are some advantages. The first advantage is passive working principle. Because of electromagnetism, moving coil dynamic headphone works according to the passive working principle. It means they don't need any power to function properly. The second one is relatively cheap to produce. These headphones are affordable because mechanism can be developed simply. Also because of this, design of the moving coil dynamic headphones are reliable and durable. No need of headphone amplifiers. Most moving coil dynamic headphones have high enough sensitivity ratings to function well with the typical headphone jack. But there are some disadvantages as well. Accuracy can be low in transient response because of diaphragm inertia and mass. Also, headphones require significant damping and tuning due to resonance frequencies. Poorer high-end frequency response. Relatively, large coil and thick diaphragm may have more difficulty than other driver types when producing the short wavelength vibrations required to make high-frequency sound waves. At last, daily usage of headphones can cause harmful effect to your brain because of electromagnetic waves. Thank you all.